Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can apply rounded corners to images and photos you insert into your app on Adalo or the Adalo app builder. So let us dive into this. So let me navigate to that example app project here. Let me pan here to the left and zoom into that page where I inserted this example image. So what you need to do, guys, is left click into the given image on the given app page, for example in the mobile version, and that is going to redirect you to the image options here. Click into the setup tab, scroll down, and here under rounding you will see that slider or field, sorry, to be more accurate here. So what you want to do is either enter the value here or use these plus and minus buttons to apply a corner or a rounding. Let me speed this up a bit because it would take some time to get the corners. You can already see the effect here. So let us go, for example, with, I don't know, a rounding of 150, and that would look like this, or I don't know, 90. And that's how it works. Now you may also click into these three dots and select independent corners, and then customize these even more, for example, for each corner, for example, only in the top right. So let me go with 120 here, 105, and here 120. 105 is the maximum, as you can see. So you can't go above 105 in this case here, but you can go below 90. That would look like this. And here we are going to apply 60. And there you go. That's the rounded corners of the image, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.